Gondor Dry Ice Pelletizer. Multiple models. Simple setup and easy operation. Supports language switching. Volatile coal gas in evacuation molding process. Ensure the safe operation of equipment. Real-time monitoring of internal pressure values. Improve the utilization rate of raw materials. Dry ice has high molding degree. Various shapes of dry ice to meet different needs. Stable and controllable production capacity. All food-grade stainless steel construction. Efficient ice making. Evenly and finely granulated. Replaceable dry ice molds for diverse needs. Support double-cylinder production. Adapting to multiple scenes. Wide range of application. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.